Hi, it's Alison Mead from Silicon Bullet with another bookkeeping top tip, and today it's about producing Excel reports from Sage Reports. Oh, here comes my dog just dashing past. You just can't see her out of camera view. Right, today I was asked by a client who has one really huge customer, and when they produce their statements for them, rather than send them in PDF format, they wanted to send them in Excel. So they produced their statements and then used the send to Excel option. When you get the report in Excel, it looked really odd. It had really weird columns, merged cells. It wasn't easy to manipulate. And they wanted to be able to annotate things and do subtotals and all of this kind of thing on the statement. So here's a top tip. If you want a report to look good in Excel, you want a different report to one that will look good as a PDF. So it took about 10 minutes for me to create a copy of their statement and to change and play around with the column titles just to make it look all neat and tidy in Excel. Now what they'll be able to do is create an email to the client with the PDF statement that looks neat with all that information on, with the aging on and the titles and the dates and all of that kind of thing. But they'll be able to attach alongside that an Excel listing that looks really good in Excel that they've been able to manipulate and add subtotals to. So if you have a report that you've produced as a Sage PDF and you want to do something with it in Excel, and when you're looking at it in Excel it looks really odd with merged columns and different titles, then please do get in touch. My name's Alison Mead. The business is Silicon Bullet. You can find a Silicon Bullet channel on YouTube, and if you go to blog.siliconbullet.com you will be able to contact me through the blog. But also, if you want just some basic bookkeeping tips, so you're just starting out, then go to your podcast platform and look for Bookkeeping Basics by Alison Mead at Silicon Bullet. So that's my top tip of something that's really simple to do, would just take 10 or 15 minutes of my time. Get your reports looking great in Excel so that you can send your clients, or maybe management, or maybe as a charity, reporting to the board. We can get something that you can manipulate in Excel to get the figures right for you first time without spending loads of time on it. That's Alison Mead from Silicon Bullet signing off, and I'll see you again on another dog walk soon. Bye.